My name is Jane Bosley. I live in Palisades, New York. Before working with Dr. Bhanote, my knowledge of my own health was really limited. I didn't truly understand how food and what you're eating can affect your health, both positively and negatively, and how what you eat matters in the sense that it's also medicine for your body. It's not just fuel and things you think are generally healthy, but not necessarily for my body in particular. What made me say yes to Dr. Bhanote was that she's living what she's teaching us. And I admire that. And it makes for a much easier transition when somebody really believes. Somebody's telling you something like self-care is cell care, and they're actually living it, and you can see the results, and you start thinking, wow, I want that for myself. And it really made it easy to follow along. The cell revive method was a slow process for me personally, because who thinks of themselves in terms of all these little tiny cells and how many millions of little things are in us that are affected by everything we put into our body, everything we think, every physical activity. Those things all matter. And learning that slowly, the tools that are there is the testing, which initially felt, wow, this is a lot. Oh my gosh, they're taking so much blood, or any of those things. Start out going, wow, this is a lot. And then you get these results and you can really see your cells and all the different things that go into making your body this incredible machine that it is. As I started to feel better, it was like a happy accident that I was also looking better, which really hadn't occurred to me, but was a really, really lovely side effect of this mission that I'm on right now. Dr. Bhanote helped me understand the root causes of the issues that I was contending with, really by showing me test results, by showing me, here, you're starting at this point, but we can get you to that point. And her book was tremendously helpful, actually, in that we can see scientific evidence that meeting your body on a cellular level and feeding each part of your biome is incredibly personal and individual. And when you start to see and feel the effects, you have no choice but to continue. And one day, recently for me, I noticed that it was no longer a challenge to sit at a dinner table among people who are eating things that really aren't great for you personally. And I just naturally gravitated, and I started to notice this is just who I am now. It is not a diet I'm following. It is not a fad. It is who I am as a person now. And I have really learned that I can feel my body being more efficient or less efficient depending upon what I'm eating. I started with Dr. Bhanote in COVID. I actually had COVID, and that's when I started my first appointment with her. She actually helped me deal with, I had a pretty bad case, and she was really essential for me at that moment in helping me with supplements and vitamins and foods that would help my body heal itself. For anyone looking to transform themselves, find a way to work with Dr. Bhanote. Start with her book if you have to, but find a way to connect with her, because it's life-changing.